Hello all, welcome to my channel. In this video, let's take a quick look at if condition. So I have identified three most useful if formulas. The first one is the if. The second one is the nested if. So within the if, we can use multiple if conditions. So that is called nested if. And the third one is the conditional if. Let's quickly deep dive into Excel spreadsheet and let's see how we can use this in real data. A quick note. So what are the formulas that I have been explaining here? These works specifically very well in both Google Sheets and Microsoft Excel. If there are few formulas which are available in the Microsoft Excel but not available in the Google Sheets, unfortunately. And there are few awesome formulas which are available in the Google Sheets but they're not available in Microsoft Excel. So if there are any few formulas are like that, I will give a disclaimer on that. So you can, I mean, based on the kind of UI, like whether you are using Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel, so you'll get comfortable and get to know more about the formulas. Okay, so now we're talking about the if condition. So let's see. I have a sample data which has employee, the score. Okay, whether so we will determine whether this employee gets the bonus or not this in this March. Let's decide and tenure. So let's say we have sample data which has employee name, the employee score, and whether um, the employee gets the bonus or not, or and the tenure. Okay, so say like I said, I prefer to beautification. So let's do this one. Okay, let's say we have four records. Let's say the employee names are Rajiv, Mahesh, Sai, Joy, and let's say the Raju has scored 95. He's a good guy because it's me. 85, 70, and 45. And bonus, let's say he gets, and Mahesh no, Sai yes, and Joy no. And so this is the data, and the tenure. Let's say like he's working for 3 years, 1 year, 2 years, and the 4 years. So how I'm getting this data? I'm using artificial AI tools to get the sample data so that I can use sample data while explaining the formulas for you. Now let's do let's apply the formulas over here. So now let's see. I would like to print a message if the value over here in the C column is yes, the person is eligible for bonus, and if it is no, the person is not eligible for the bonus. So I would like to deliver a message like this. For example, let's say, okay, so this is the data. Okay, fine. So, so how it works? If condition, if the condition is true, okay, go into here, goes here. If the condition is, for example, if the condition is true, it goes here. If the condition is false, it goes here. Okay, and here again. Okay, let's stick to this one. So if the condition, for example, if bonus is equal to yes, bonus is equal to yes. If I'm looking for this one, if it is true, it goes into here, and I would like to display message like eligible for bonus. And if in case if it is not true, if it is a false, I mean the value over here is not yes. So here this goes here, and here I would like to print not eligible for bonus. So let's see how this works in the real time. So here is equal to if condition I'm writing. So if this value, I have clicked on C, automatically it has come here, is equal to yes, because it's a string, so we have to put in the quotes. Okay. So if it is yes, I would like to print eligible for bonus, right? And if in case, if it is not a yes, if it is a negative, false, I would like to mention not eligible for bonus. Okay, let's do this one. And now select all the wells, all the cells, and click on Command D if you are using the MacBook, or Control D. So this will update the formula over here. So the person is eligible for bonus, not eligible for bonus. For example, if Mahesh, if the value is S here, automatically the message will change over here. So basically, if you have the formulas, it helps you to to display the real time data. So the second way is that if you don't want, for example, if you copy the data from here from this sheet for all the this one, if you copy and if you paste in the other sheet, it is like totally fine. But if you just copy the name and the message into a different sheet, mhm, if you just copy this one and if you paste here, okay, it seems like it is pasting. You don't have to transpose. Okay, please ignore. Okay, so this one is fine. Let's see the nested if. For example, here, whatever we have seen, if true, this one, if false. Again, if you would like to have multiple conditions. Now, let's see, for example, if the score of the person is, for example, now the score. So let's divide the score if what we are looking at, if score, okay, if the score is greater than 90. Here the score, if it is greater than 90, so it's a true. And I would like to mention something like excellent. Okay, what if it is score less than 90? So basically by default this goes like false, and maybe whatever the message, like, not excellent. So for example, let's say if let's again subgrade. For example, again I would like to see something. If if score if score greater than or equal to 60, let's say. So instead of false, again if you have one more, if greater than or equal to 60, I would like to have good, or else I would like to have needs improvement. So here we have one if, and again inside this if we have one more if. Let's see how we can do. For example, let's see the rating. Okay, so is equal to if this one b2, the score greater than 95. Okay, um or for example, let's say 90. It's I would like to print excellent here. And if in case, again one more if this one greater than or equal to 60, okay, I would like to have good. Or if in case if it is less than 60, what I would like to print needs improvement. Okay, so this one is closed here. You can see um, and then for this one we have to close one more. Okay, there it go. So do control D. So I mean for greater than 90, excellent. Less than 90, this one, and greater than 60, good, good, and less than 60 needs improvement. Okay, let's see whether one more condition I would like to see. If the person's score is greater than 90, and if the tenure is more than 2 years, I would like to approve for the bonus. Okay, approve. For example, let's expand this one so that you can see the formula is equal to if. So I have two conditions here. So whenever you're using two conditions, and both of the conditions, if they have to be true, for example, the score has to be greater than 90 and the tenure has to be greater than 2 years. Okay, so let's do one thing. And because we have two conditions is equal to greater than 90 and comma, I have two conditions, and tenure should be greater than 2. So this is the end condition and I have closed over here. So this is the condition that I have passed. So this is the logical test value. So this returns end, or the operators basically they returns true or false. If this is the true, I would like to like bonus approved, or else I want to display message bonus denied. Okay, let's close this one. There it go. So how we can this is end, and for example, let's say Joy. So he has 4 years of experience, but his score is 45, and he's not eligible for the bonus. Let's say that if your company CEO, if he tells that, hey, whether the score is greater than 90, or if the person has more than 2 years of experience, they are eligible for the gratuity. Let's say gratuity. Not gratuity, let's say like eligibility. Okay, so let's expand this one so that you can see the formula well. I'm hiding this one. Okay, so okay, let's see. So is equal to, if two conditions, either the score has to be greater than 90 or the tenure has to be. So basically we are using the or. It's like a simple English. So or instead of and, this has to be greater than 90, or so this has to be greater than 2, then eligible for bonus, not eligible for bonus if not. Okay, now let's see. Joy is also eligible for the bonus. This is how you can play with the if conditions. Thank you for watching this video. If you are liking my content, please do watch and please do like and subscribe. This really helps me to get motivated and do more videos on Excel and machine learning, SQL, and the all the other tools, which basically helps you to become a good data scientist or a data analyst. Thank you for watching this video.